welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about some of the maintenance care we should do every year in our hydroponic system. So friends, this is my hydroponic setup and I have got 7 different systems fitted into it. This all the system I have fitted into this poly house, which is covered from the plastic on the top and all the sides are protected with the net. But this is not the foolproof like the greenhouse. Here there is a minor particle of the dust are allowed into this house. So every year we need to clean this house for the next season. Now you can see that all the different system fitted over there. This is the NFT, the DFT is behind. Then there is a vertical tower with the coco peat grow bags. Then in the last it is the media buckets with the clay balls. Here you can see the grow beds with the coco peat again. On that side there are grow trays. Again the media is the mix of coco peat and the wood chips. And here is a vertical tower. And what you cannot see is over here is the deep water culture buckets. Now all this system need different type of maintenance and cleaning. Now cleaning and maintenance of the NFT and DFT system are very similar and it is very simple. You simply need to remove all the stresses of the old season crop, remove all the net cups, remove them, clean them. Pipes, you can wash it with the water, circulate with the water. And only thing you need to do in the last, you can disinfect this pipe with the help of either hydrogen peroxide or potassium permanganate. That simple action will make our system again ready for the new season crop. With pipe, we also need to clean the tank or the bucket wherever we are circulating the water. The next system, the vertical grow tower, these are the grow beds and there are the grow trays. All are having a media. Here the media is coco peat and in the grow tray, the media is on the bottom, there is a coal and on the top, it is the coco peat and the wood chips. So we can clean them all. Here we must clean this surface and remove all the roots of the past season. The roots are settled on the bottom of the face, so it is better we empty this out and again fill this. Now you can see that some of the coco peat is outside, which was infected while the last season of the growing. So we have taken separate care of that area and remove that coco peat out. We are going to give him the sun treatment for at least 12 to 15 days and then once it is fully sterilized, we will again put it to the bed. After that, we will start with the hydrogen peroxide water first initially so that any remaining strain of the any fungal or other infection will vanish off. Then you can see here the vertical tower. We simply need to clean it with the water and disinfect with the hydrogen peroxide. And same way, the deep water culture bucket, we need to empty down all the bucket. Now, if some water is left into these buckets, then instead of throwing them out, we can use it into our garden lawn or some other area where your delicate plants are not there. So we can use this water after dilution 1 to 10 into the garden and utilize that. Once we empty down the water, we must clean all the buckets thoroughly and keep it in the sun for a day for disinfection. So after cleaning and disinfection, we must get it our system ready. Now as you can see, right now we don't have any crop into this because these are the summer months and temperature are very high and hydroponic is not sustained into the high temperature. It requires the controlled atmosphere and water temperature below 25 degree, which only possible with the artificial support which we don't have. So we are going to start our new season from the late August and I will update you on that at that time. First we will start into June with this grow bed system, putting some tuber crops and later on we will grow cherry tomato, capsicum, cucumber, all these crops, lettuce, broccoli, and I will give you the update as and when I will start them. But before that, if you have the hydroponic setup, you clean it properly at this time. This is the May and get your system ready for the next season. Happy growing!